aha, oh my God, the shedding has stopped, my hair's growing, my hair's flourishing, you saved my life, you rescued me from my hair journey. Okay, Jesse, what's next?
Can you address the idea that doing a wash and go daily is too much manipulation and will lead to breakage?
Next question. No, I'm just kidding. No. Go look at the Ask Dickey, go down the rabbit hole of some Ask Dickey videos and ask yourself before asking these questions, why a wash and go style will be harmful to your hair. Unless, of course, as I've stated in the past about the massiveness of type 4 or 3 textures that are just so dense and overwhelmingly thick, long hair that it might not be reasonable to do wash and go style. Not because it's damaging to the hair, but because it just might be too much to do every day. And at that point, I've said, if you can't do that, then do the protective style. And protective styling just means any style that doesn't require you to have to wet your hair. But if your hair is tore up after that protective style, then it was a tore up style. So all of this stuff is relative, and we'll go back and forth to wash and go style. And if you don't want to do that, you have choices. You'll do a protective style. But water and conditioner does not mess up anybody's hair. Look at all the comments of the women whose lives have been changed through finally 10 toes down embracing what wash and go style was and how they saw the benefit of years of believing something different, and then all of a sudden, aha, oh my God, the shedding has stopped, my hair's growing, my hair's flourishing, you saved my life, you rescued me from my hair journey. Yeah, no, that is not a thing. Sorry. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.